All right, what's up YouTube, and welcome back to another unboxing video. Today I'm gonna be unboxing the Polaroid Now Instant Camera Generation 3. I picked this up from Costco. It came in at $99 on sale. So without further ado, let's get into unboxing. All right, so as we get into this unboxing, this is the Now bundle. So inside of the box, you're gonna get your camera, you're gonna get 24 instant photos, as well as a neck strap as well. So first out of the box, we have our color I-type film. This is 8 instant photos in there. And then this is gonna be our camera strap. So we'll take this out. Sit that there. And this is a nice filling cable. So this is our neck strap. We'll put this on a little later. And then last but not least, we're gonna have our camera itself. All right, so with the Polaroid Now Instant Camera Generation 3, this is the black edition. They do come in different colors, but you're gonna get the Polaroid original frame. You're gonna get a 2-zone autofocus, double exposure, and then a selfie timer as well. So let's go ahead and open this up. This is my first Polaroid camera, so not a lot of expectations here. We will see what we get. All right, so inside of that box, you get your Polaroid Now 3 safety information, as well as a quick start guide, and you also get a wrist strap as well. So out of the box, this definitely does feel good. Kind of looking around the camera, here you're gonna have your flash, next you're gonna have your shutter button, and then you're also gonna have a film shield here. Here, this little dot here, you're gonna have a light meter, and then you have your camera lens. And then next up here, you're gonna have your mode indicator. So it'll tell you what mode you're in. And then you're gonna also have a mode button right here as well. That's gonna look like a little selfie timer button right there. And then on the side, you're gonna have your film door button. So you'll press this, and then your film door will open up for you to reload your film there. On the bottom, you're also gonna have a tripod adapter as well. So that comes in really handy if you're trying to get those selfie shots with your group of friends, you have no one around to film for you. On the back, you're gonna have your viewfinder here. And then you're gonna have your flash button sitting here. And then you also have your power button. And then you're gonna have your film counter LED as well. On the side for charging, you're gonna have USB-C, and then you have your battery level indicator right above that little dot there as well. And then on the back, you have your neck straps as well. So I'm definitely looking forward to catching some of those nostalgic moments with friends. I haven't used one of these in quite some time. If you are looking to pick one of these up, definitely check out Costco. They are on sale for $99. I saw it go down from $129.99 as well. So definitely a good buy if you're looking to get into the Polaroid world. If you do have a Polaroid camera, drop it down in the comments. Let me know which one you have and how you like it and what film you use to film. All right, that's gonna do it for this unboxing. If you haven't already done so, make sure to smash that subscribe button and also leave a comment and a like below. As always, thanks for watching.